Assalamu alaikum, welcome to another Google Earth Engine tutorial. In this tutorial, we will see that how can you create charts in Google Earth Engine with your dataset. In previous tutorial, we saw that how can you extract monthly mean LST for any year like 2025 in Google Earth Engine. And here, this is that dataset that is printed in console. With same dataset, we will create charts. So for creating charts in docs, we will search for simply charts and we will create a user interface chart. So UI chart feature by feature. We will create a chart with feature. Right over here, we are creating a feature but with null geometry, but this feature has periods of months and mean LST. Copy this one and paste right over here. But we will store this chart into a variable named as chart is equal to this. First of all, we will place curly brackets in start and end of it. And then we will mention our data set in this feature argument. Then in x-axis, we will mention our x-axis field just like this. And in y-axis, we will mention our y-axis field. Okay, now we have mentioned which table, which field on x and which field on y. Now we will mention type of chart that will plot in our console. Dot set chart type. And this time we will create a line chart and this. Now if I will hit Control Enter, then no chart is in console. We have to print that chart, print this chart. So all this UI chart is storing inside this variable and just print this chart and hit Control Enter. Now this time, this is the chart. You will click right over here. Then you can visualize your chart in a big window. You can download data in CSV, SVG and PNG. There are many other charts type. For that, just search chart type. We are playing with UI chart. This and this is telling us that please for all chart list go here and column chart. Let's see this column chart. This is the column chart and here this is the gallery. All charts are available right over here. Column chart, bar chart. Now we can also play with chart appearance with a keyword name as dot set options just like this. Now here we can write all argument to play with our chart. Like first of all, let's say the title and this time you have a title on your chart. Also you can also customize these x-axis and this y-axis, h-axis horizontal x, h-axis, and on h-axis the title is, and then you can also change the style of this month, like title text style bold is equal to true and then font size 15 just like this. Hit Control Enter and this time on horizontal axis you have a bold with title name as month. Same with vertical axis, so temperature in Celsius month. Now you can also increase the width of this line is equal to and hit Control Enter, this time a thicker line. Also you can place points on each step of this dataset. Point size is 6. Hit Control Enter, this time you have point on your graph. Animation, so just write animation right over here and then write start of duration and then easing. Hit Control Enter. Now when the chart will create, it will create it with the animation just like this. You can also add other variables on y-axis, like let's suppose that here I also want to calculate the max LST of these months, so just write max and here max and now here max underscore LST and copy this one and just write max. In our y-axis property we have a new field, so just write max LST right over here. Hit Control Enter. So here you can see now we have two lines and we can also download this chart in PNG format just like this. I hope this tutorial was also helpful for you. Many thanks. Take care. Allah Hafiz.